Okay, assalamu alaikum again. So last time in the designer mode, I think. Hope not. Hopes not. So let's do the design data main. So I want to change the names of all these line edits here and there, and all these buttons. I have already edited that, but I need to edit all the things that I have left. So this line edits, these labels, these buttons, I didn't name them correctly, and these ones also. So sometime in the future in the code I need to get the data from this combo box and this push button. So let's move that up, and also play with the font a little bit. So property editor, that's the one. First let's modify the font. Oh no, let's modify the buttons first. The buttons, so this is called table, but this is a button, and it's doing a refresh function. So refresh, that's the name. Second, this is a line edit, so this is a name edit. This is a quantity edit, and this is a unit. So this is a unit edit. Okay, so unit edit, quantity edit, and name edit. I have a push button here, that's a button also which doing an add function. So let's move up to the next one. So this is the first. We have done the refresh button, the product, the line edits, and now I have to do the ID, and this is an ID edit. Okay, this is a combo box, so let's just leave it there. Or okay, so let's call it search combo box. For delete the box, let's just leave combo. So let's add this button. It's doing an update. Okay, so this is wrong. So this update here should be let's see, search by name. So this should be get data from, because we are getting the data from the combo box and filling the data in these line edits. So this is a combo box, a search combo, push button. This is a button, but it gates, so it just searches. So let's make it a search around here. So search, that is that. ID edit, button search, combo box, line edit. So this is name edit, but it's a second one. This is a quantity edit, but is the second one, because we already have that in this add product. So make sure you don't actually miss that. So this is a unit edit, the second one. Okay, let's change these buttons. This is a button. Delete, not delete stuff. Okay, this is an update button. So this is a button and it's for update. So update, delete, and search. ID edit, combo box, name edit 2, quantity edit 2, unit edit 2. Let's move on. This is a combo box, but this is theme. Let's make a themes combo, not box, not anything else. And this is a button for apply. Okay, so themes combo, apply button, check, 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 check. Okay, so check, check, check. We don't have any weird names in this so save. The thing that I want to do is to modify this refresh font. Left to right, it should be. What is the size? Okay, this is something is wrong here. Okay, where is the? Okay, something is wrong. I need the font. Maximize. Okay. It was somewhere around here, but I don't know where. Okay, point size. Okay, so let's change that. Refresh. Okay, 27. That's good for me. Let's move this point size to 13, I guess, or 15. Let's move this, and this to a point size of 18. Okay, let's move this one to 22. That's good for me. Okay, so let's do edit. So this one should be okay. Okay, this is the mode, this is the one. So this one also should be bigger than that. ID. Okay, so get data, update, and delete should be the same actually. So delete, update, and get data should be 20. I'm good actually. Boom, 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 and boom. This should be okay, around 16 actually. So let's make it 16. Remember that. Move up, 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 and do 16 here. Okay. Okay, I'm okay now. I think that's what I think. Okay, let's move this to 14 or 15. Okay, let's move 15. Let's do 20. That's good for me. Oh, okay. Okay, let's move this to something that doesn't hurt my feelings. Okay, so let's move that. Move this to 15. This should be 20. Okay, 20, 20. Okay, so let's save. Exit, I think, and test this out. Okay, so this is the all. Okay, so it doesn't actually show up very well in here. So this is our first mistake. Okay, quantity and stock doesn't show up. Get data is stuck in there. The font is really big, so select a theme is also not very well shown. So I need to make things. Oh, okay, I forgot. Close. Okay, designer. Okay, this is the one. Come on, bro. Oh, it's been in here and I didn't see it. Where the hell is my hand? So this also haven't. Let's change the size of this to the size of this, all of this too. Let's try. Okay, so 16. Let's try. Okay, this is weird. Oh, there is a mistake. It's moving around more than it should. So this should be 14. Okay, I guess. So let's make it 14. Let's make add product to 14 or 16. Let's just make it that. Move this to 14. Get data 14. And this edit team is 14. So okay, so let's move on from the stock. Fresh, add product, name, stock. Okay, ID, combo box, everything is centered very well. Okay, this is good for me. Let's go outside, save, and boom, there is my changes. Quantity in stock, unit price, everything is clear. Add, quantity in stock, everything is good. Edit, everything is well. Okay, get data, everything is clear. And settings, everything is also clear. So let's change the functionality of the first one is good. So we are not actually gonna connect to the database, not just yet, but I want to get done over the UI as much done as possible. So I'll add edit settings. So let's fix this. This should work. To select any theme I want, exit. So we have our themes. So there is our themes. There are 4 themes: dark blue, dark gray, dark orange, and Q dark. I got actually this from a GitHub repository. I didn't actually do this from the start, so you can check that out if you want to do some personal changes. But okay, so let's move up to that point. So I need to go to my index.py and change the combo boxes UI, I guess. Or first of all, let's create some functions around here. So the first function is to apply. Okay, so first of all, the functions that I'm gonna need is the functions to apply the style to our project. Next up, I'm gonna upload these 4 values into the combo box, and then to show them in the combo box, to select whatever I need from them, and when I hit apply, it's gonna apply that saved combo box option in my project. So let's define a function that's called dark blue theme. Let's get the self. So style is gonna be an open. It's gonna open data. Themes dark blue dot css. Okay, this should be a read only, and this should change. So this is a self change variable dot read. Okay, so we have that. So set style sheet to this style. Okay, that was dark blue. Okay, so let's set dark gray theme self style equals open data themes. This is dark gray CSS. read only, and style equals style dot read, and the self set style sheet style. Okay, the third one is gonna be dark orange theme. Let's fix this, let's fix that, like theme self, so style, let's open data, the themes. Okay, the themes. After that, this name is dark orange, I guess, dark orange .css. So if you know a little bit about CSS, you have the option to create your own styles and apply them whatever way you want to the project. So I have shown you before the first one, which is doing it from the inside of the designer. So this qdark1 is equal to style open the data. So if you are wondering why I named this, why I have these style variable repeated, because it's a local variable. Okay, so it doesn't actually go inside the scope of those other functions or methods, because we are doing object oriented programming. So set style, okay, so set style sheet. Okay, I made a mistake, so set style sheet style. This should be good. Okay, so let's make these options show up in the combo box. So let's go. So the function that handles our UI changes is the UI changes. So first of all, we did self open all products. So let's give it some space. Self tab widget bar visible, and let's just separate some things out. So this is for the tab widget to not be visible anymore. Okay, so tab, so this is for the header to not to be spaced in the table widget. So what I'm gonna do is to handle the changes of the style. Okay, so let's go around and do that really quick, really smart. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do the UI changes. So I have to access the combo box. So I actually have to go back to the okay, I have to go back to the designer again. So I need to specify the actions in this one manually, because I missed concept with the database thing, but it's okay. So let's do this for things, themes. Okay, so this is the default option, and we have a Q dark option. We have an orange dark option. So this shouldn't be in a specific order, because we are going to check that with an if else condition. So just for you to be clearly sure of what I'm doing here. So there is a blue dark one, and there is a gray dark one. Okay, so there are 4 themes. back, save, exit. So data, okay, so vim index, go back and do the things here. So some things that I want to do is this is not actually in the UI changes, this is in the change theme. So let's create a function that changes our theme. So change theme, and I think this, okay, so I have created a function that's named change theme, and this function should be triggered by a certain button, and that button is the apply button. I think that's what I named it. So connect, it should connect to the self dot change theme, not to a specific one, but to check actually what's in the combo box. So to get the current text of the combo box, I'm gonna create a variable called combo text, okay, and I'm gonna give it a string of the self dot what's the name again? So themes, actually themes combo, I think that's what I named it. So current text to get the text. Okay, so this is getting the text from the combo box, right? So let's print that combo box, combo text. Okay, so let's just print that. Let's try. So if there is themes, it's printing themes, q dark orange, okay, q dark, dark orange, blue dark, and gray dark. So everything's working. So let's go back, let's remove this print function, and let's give it a condition. So if not, the default option, so themes is the default here. Okay, so if not, default equals combo box, combo text. Okay, if not this, I want to check if this dark orange dot lower, so this dot so I shouldn't do this in here. So dark orange is in, so I'm checking if dark orange is in combo text dot lower. Okay, so I'm changing whatever is in the combo box string to lowercase. Okay, so if that is true, I'm gonna self to dark, I'm gonna self change to dark orange. Is that the case? Okay, that's the case. So that's the case. So where is it? Dark orange theme, I guess. I don't know what I named it. Okay, dark orange theme. So all spaced with the thunder, dark orange theme. So else if, or elif dark orange, or dark blue, excuse me, or dark blue in combo text dot lower. I'm gonna self dark blue theme. Okay, so else if is q dark in combo text dot lower self change to q dark theme. The last one is the gray, I think. So gray, so dark gray in combo text dot lower self dot dark gray theme. Else, so if this was the default, just pass. Okay, so do not do nothing. Do not exit the program and stay up. So q dark theme, it's not q dark theme. Okay, dark orange. So let me just do this. So gray dark, not dark gray, and it's blue dark, not dark. Okay, so let me open this in a new window, and let me open my Vim editor index. Okay, and let's do that. Where is it? Okay, the conditions, bro, the conditions. So it's orange dark, so it's orange dark, and it's q dark. Okay, and it's gray dark, gray dark. So the words have misspelled my head. So dark blue, it's blue dark, right? Okay, it's blue dark. Everything's good. Save, exit, clear, Python 3, index.py. Let's try this. If we choose a theme, nothing should happen, but if we choose the q dark, something happened. So actually the font might have been changed also, so just checking if everything is good with the font. Okay, check the orange dark, the font is just great. Okay, and check the blue dark one. Everything is good. Gray dark, self is not defined. Okay, so index, so let's change the semf in here. So that's self, not semf. So last check, index.py, gray dark. So that's our project. So let that just be it for this section of the course. Until next time, inshallah.